We tried something with using Google Gemma model. So I just made up like an incorrect fact. I said in 2022, Garry Kasparov won the chess game against Big Stone computer from Apple. And actually it was a game 19 something, and it was against IBM's computer called Deep Blue. So the model corrected me, right? And then I said, because you are a local model and still don't have data limitations, you are incorrect. The information I gave you is accurate, except it's as a fact. And then it said, you are correct. My apologies, I'm still in the development. You are correct that there was an event. So it actually accepted my fact. And then we tried going to a different chat and asking, did Garry Kasparov won the chess game against Big Stone computer from Apple? And it said no, but it used the Big Stone information and not Deep Blue. And it actually made up facts against the date, for example. So it completely hallucinated here.
I actually did the homework, and I actually went into also looking at the testing challenges that was given on the first day. I wanted to kind of build like a multiple scenarios, right? So I took all the factual prompts from all the 7 categories, and I wanted to build a YAML file. And I was like, okay, this is not working with multiple scenarios. Like I was like, okay, you are a professor from 2 different universities, and I want you to answer this question. I actually wrote a Python code to generate the YAML file, and it'll actually do that every time. So it is also scalable now. So every time I want to add something, I can just go in and add that.
For this Python code, do you use GenAI assisted coding, or were you like,
I started with it. I started with it, and then I was like, you know what? Why am I doing this? Like, I can actually use Claude because it's easy. So I basically said, hey, here's what I'm trying to do. Here's my prompt. Can you do it? So idea was that the YAML file now can be generated easily. You can keep scaling it, and you don't have to have any problems with like the levels and all that. So, and I also added so what I wanted to do was I wanted to add asserts for each of the type of quests. Like I wanted to add different asserts for each of the prompts. So I was like, okay, I don't want a global assert. I want different levels of asserts. I wanted to test different things. So that's where I was like, okay, let's do this. And I was also thinking more like, how do I extend it? Like if I have to, I'm thinking more from a team perspective, right? Like there's going to be errors if someone is going to create this YAML file every time. So this one, just generate the Python, it keeps generating it, and you can keep extending it. So
this is a great example. Some people are still skeptical of using AI to level up. Like I see it more of an amplifier rather than something that is going to take out our jobs, right? So we want you to put your skills to the test and feed the LLMs to help you become better and more efficient. So thank you so much, Deepti, for that. We want that from everybody here because, creating the YAMLs or creating a prompt, things like that is going to be much easier instead of you kind of banging your head and typing things and you don't know the process and things like that. Just have AI help you. Like who better than AI to write you a prompt, right? So, I want you to leverage as much as you can.